If Instagram keeps crashing on Android, here's how to fix it. First, restart your phone. This simple step can refresh system processes and fix temporary glitches. If Instagram still crashes, force stop the app by going to Settings, Apps, App Management, Instagram, force stop, then reopen it. Next, clear Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, find Instagram in the list, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the app still crashes, try tapping Clear Data, but note that this will log you out. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it if available. If the app is already updated, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app to remove any corrupted files. If your device is low on space, apps may crash frequently. Free up some storage by deleting unnecessary files, apps, or videos. If Instagram still crashes, check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector or searching Twitter for user reports. If it's a server issue, you may need to wait. As a last resort, update your phone's software. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any pending updates. If the issue persists, report the problem to Instagram through Settings. Help, report a problem. That's it. Hopefully Instagram will stop crashing. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.